Welcome students to your tutorial on Soundtrap. Let's go ahead and get started in Schoology. So in Schoology we have a link on the left hand side of the page that will open up your Soundtrap Studio. This is your home page for Soundtrap. Yours looks a little different because you're not a teacher. There are lots of ways to get started with Soundtrap. Some of these videos will help you get started if you are curious. Here's where I can scroll down and see all the files I've created over time. For us, we want to enter the studio and create a file for our first slide. We'll be using the podcast feature and adding a new track for our voice. This is where we can start recording our voice. You see that my microphone is being used correctly, and when I record voice, we hear my voice accurately. Recording 1, recording 2, recording 3. Here it is. That's what I recorded right there. I'm going to take my red recording and putting it back towards the beginning of my track. This is your purple timer tool. So wherever your timer tool is, that's where you will start playing and using your tracks. Let's listen to what I just recorded by putting the timer tool at the beginning and hitting play. Wonderful. I can hear it. Let's save this work. So I'm going to save my project and rename my project so that I know where this is going in my assignment. This is my title screen for the road trip. All right, saving that means that this is now recorded and done. If I wanted to add a sound effect, I click the music icon and I see that there are lots of ways to add sound. These are just some of the examples. If I click sound and click to type car, it will give me all sorts of ways that the word car shows up in sounds. So let's think about a car sound. Oh, there's a car door closing and arriving and a car horn. Let's take a car horn that sounds like this. Oh, it's not adding. Adding sounds is not working for me right now, but today I'm not adding any sound effects. Let's work on this later. To finish up your track, you click Save and go back to the beginning of your project, back to your home page. There's my title slide, Road Trip. When it's ready for downloading, the play button will illuminate. Also, you see that it's mixing it right now. It's forming my file. I will click the 3 buttons when it's ready and find the download feature for MP3. There's my downloaded title slide for the road trip. Wonderful. Now I need to get that into my Google Slides or my Google Drive. So I will open my Google Drive and my files together. So you could see my title slide for road trip here and I will drag that into my Google Drive now. Here it is, upload complete. At this point, I can go back to my road trip, insert audio, and find that file in my Google Drive. Usually with recent, it might even just show up. There it is, insert. Inserting the audio gives me an icon on the slide that looks like a little speaker. It's going to ask me to share it or not. Anyone can view. And you see that I can click automatically on the format options. So when I open your project, it will play. You ready? Let's try. Slideshow, first page. And when I click the slide forward, it will play the next track. So that's how you would add an audio track from your voice and Soundtrap into your Google projects. Thank you for watching.